only integral of 1 divided by 1 plus x squared into dx is nothing but tan inverse x. What is our d by d theta of theta squared? Which is 2 theta. I can write x minus 3 in terms of x minus 1. Yes, minus 3 I can write it as minus 1 minus 2, which is minus 3 only. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. This is f of x, this is f dash of x. So according to the formula, what you are going to have? E power x f of x. Which is f of x? This is f of x and this is f dash of x. Hello dear students, a warm welcome to one and all. My name is Vibha, Mathematics faculty at Vidhyaashram Pre-University College, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. In the last session, we have learnt many problems on integral by parts, isn't it? In today's session, dear students, here we are having session number 15 and chapter number 7 called integrals. And what are the topics we are going to study under this session, dears? Let me know. Here we are having again integral by parts itself. Now let us move on to the problems. Here x into secant squared x. Now here when they have given integral by parts, you have to know the formula as well as the rule, isn't it? What is the rule called? Rule is nothing but iLearn rule. What is iLearn rule? I is nothing but inverse trigonometry and L is nothing but logarithmic, A is algebraic, T is trigonometric and E is nothing but exponential. According to this order only, you need to select the given functions, isn't it? Now, let us move on to the formula. What the formula is given? Here, I am taking the first function as nothing but f of x and second function is nothing but the g of x. Okay. Now, it is given by first function into integral of second function minus integral of differentiation of first function into integral of second function dx into dx, isn't it? Now, this dx for this integral and this another dx will be for this integral. We are going to have it as. Now, according to the iLearn rule, what we can select? X into secant squared x, right? X is nothing but here algebraic and secant is nothing but trigonometric. So, according to order, algebraic will come first. That is the first function. We are going to choose it as x and second function is nothing but secant squared x. So, let me write like that. So, integral of x into secant squared x into dx. So, here x is first function and secant squared x is nothing but second function, isn't it? Now, accordingly, if you write it formula, so first function that is x into integral of second function which is secant squared x into dx minus integral of d by dx of first function which is nothing but x into integral of second function which is secant squared x into dx, right? Now here again further simplification it will be giving you x into, you know, integral of secant squared x is nothing but tan x. So therefore writing into tan x minus integral of what is d by dx of x which is differentiation of x is nothing but 1. So therefore 1 into again integral of secant squared x is nothing but tan x, isn't it? Into dx. Now again, okay, integral of tan x is nothing but what? Log of modulus of secant x. So let me write accordingly, which will be is equal to x into tan x minus, so integral of 1 into tan x will be integral of tan x only, therefore, which will be given as log of modulus of secant x, isn't it? Plus c. And this is your final answer. You are going to get it for this question, dear students. I hope you understood this one. Now we'll be moving on to the next problem. What they have given? Integrate, that is tan inverse x. So tan inverse x is nothing but you are going to take it as, see, integral of tan inverse x into dx. Dear students, here tan inverse of x integration you do not have directly because only integral of 1 divided by 1 plus x squared into dx is nothing but tan inverse x, isn't it? Therefore, what we are going to do it here? So, anything into 1 will be giving you a same, right? So, therefore, let me write tan inverse of x like this. Tan inverse of x into 1 into dx. Now, here, if you move according to the iLearn rule, you are going to select the first function is nothing but a inverse trigonometry. Here, inverse trigonometry is nothing but tan, isn't it? Next is nothing but coming a algebraic. Algebraic is nothing but 1. Therefore, selecting first function as tan inverse x and second function as 1. I hope you got this one. Now, we'll be moving on to according to the formula. Let me write down the formula first. Here, integral of f of x into g of x into dx is equal to first function into integral of second function minus integral of d by dx of first function into integral of second function into dx. Now here, therefore, substituting accordingly, first function has nothing but tan inverse x and second function is nothing but 1 into dx is equal to f of x is tan inverse x into integral of 1 into dx minus d by dx of tan inverse x into integral of 1 into dx into dx. Again, further simplification gives you tan inverse x. You know integral of 1 into dx is x only. So, x minus d by dx of tan inverse x is 1 divided by 1 plus x squared, isn't it? Into integral of 1 into dx is nothing but x into dx. Now here, further simplification you can check over here. You're having x divided by 1 plus x squared. So what I need to do here? Denominator you are having 1 plus x squared. So numerator also I want in the form of 1 plus x squared. So what is the answer you are getting? Tan inverse x into x minus integral of x divided by 1 plus x squared into dx. Now, if you differentiate the denominator, you are going to get the numerator. How, dears? Differentiation of 1 plus x squared. Differentiation of 1 is 0 and differentiation of x squared is 2x. Therefore, you want to divide and multiply by 2 because you do not have 2 in the numerator. So, what I am going to do for this case, which implies tan inverse x into x minus integral of, I am going to multiply by 2 and I am going to divide that by 2. So, to balance the step, isn't it? 1 plus x squared into dx. Now, you can see here, see 1 plus x squared is equal to t. If you substitute, you can have differentiate this with respect to x, right? Now, differentiating 1, 0, differentiation of x squared is 2x into dx is equal to dt. So, 2x into dx is equals to dt means you can substitute there, which implies tan inverse x into x minus 1 by 2 into integral of 2x into dx as dt divided by 1 plus x squared is nothing but t. Now, you know integral of 1 by t is nothing but what? Log of modulus of t. So, therefore, tan inverse of x into x minus 1 by 2 into log of modulus of t plus c. Now, substituting back to t, you are getting tan inverse of x into x minus 1 by 2 into log of modulus of 1 plus x squared plus c. And this is your final answer for the integral of tan inverse of x. I hope you understood this one. We'll be moving on to the next problem, dear. What they've asked, integrate x into log x whole squared. Now here, according to first iLearn rule, what is the function you need to select? You need to select as logarithmic. That means log x whole squared. And then second function is nothing but algebraic, which is nothing but x, right? So therefore, writing accordingly, first is nothing but log x whole squared into x. For your reference, I am writing this is a first function and this is a second function into dx. Now, without writing the formula, let us remember and then accordingly we are moving. So, here first function log x whole squared into integral of second function, which is x into dx minus integral of d by dx of first function, which is log x whole squared into integral of second function, which is x into dx into dx. Now here further simplification gives you log x whole squared, integral of x is nothing but what? X squared divided by 2, right? minus integral of, what is d by dx of log x? D by dx of log x is nothing but 1 by x. But here log x whole squared you are having. So first let us consider it is a theta squared. What is our d by d theta of theta squared? Which is 2 theta, isn't it? Therefore theta is nothing but here log x. Accordingly, if you write it as 2 log x, chain rule. Again, log x differentiation is nothing but 1 over x into 1 over x. Again, integral of x is nothing but x squared divided by 2 into dx. Now here 1x squared, 1x will get cancelled and 2 will get cancelled. Therefore, remaining is log x whole squared into x squared divided by 2 minus integral of, you are going to remain with x into log x, right? Now again, what you are going to select the first function? Again, iLearn rule you are going to apply here. First function is nothing but the logarithmic and second function is nothing but algebraic. So therefore, you are moving according to the formula log x whole squared. Be careful dear students, here minus sign you are having. Whenever you are having a minus sign, please open the bracket because minus sign will be multiplied inside. Okay, so I am opening the bracket here, minus, see, first function which is nothing but log x into integral of second function which is x into dx minus integral of d by dx of first function which is nothing but log x into integral of second function which is nothing but x. So further simplification, close the bracket because minus sign will be multiplied inside. Now here, which implies log x whole squared into x squared divided by 2 minus, at last let us multiply the minus sign. First simplify the bracket. So log x into, see, integral of x is nothing but what? X squared divided by 2 minus integral of d by dx of log x is 1 by x, right? Into integral of x is nothing but x squared by 2 into dx. I hope you understood this step, which implies further simplification gives you log x whole squared into x squared by 2 minus, see, log x into x squared by 2. I am writing as it is. Now here 1x term will get cancelled. Remaining is x by 2, but 1 by 2 is a constant. When it is a constant along with the variable, we can take out a constant outside integral part, isn't it? Therefore, by taking minus 1 by 2 outside the integral, remaining is nothing but x into dx. Now further simplification gives you log x whole squared into x squared by 2 minus log x into x squared by 2 minus 1 by 2 into, what is integral of x? Integral of x is nothing but x squared by 2. Now dears, you can multiply minus sign inside. So which happens, the final step will be log x whole square into x squared by 2. See, minus into plus is minus, log x into x square by 2, again minus into minus is plus, but 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4, which is x by 4 plus x by 4 plus c. And this is your final answer for the given question dears. Okay dears, we'll be moving on to the next question now. What they've asked, integrate x squared plus 1 into log x. In the last case, it was x into log x whole squared. So whatever the function, according to the iLearn rule, if they've given algebraic and the logarithmic, you are going to select first as logarithmic, isn't it? Therefore, accordingly, integral of log x into x squared plus 1 into dx. For your reference, I am writing, this is a first function and this is a second function. Now, without writing the formula, let us remember and then accordingly, we are having here first function which is log x into integral of second function which is x squared plus 1 into dx minus integral of d by dx of first function which is log x into integral of second function which is x squared plus 1 into dx into dx. Now again here further simplification gives you log x into, see here you are going to split up x squared into dx plus 1 into dx I am avoiding the step here and then writing continuously by integrating separately. Got? Now x squared into dx. Integral of x squared is x cube by 3. So into x cube by 3 plus 1 into dx integration is x. I am opening the bracket because you are having x squared plus 1 inner side of the integral, right? Now minus integral of what is d by dx of log x, which is nothing but 1 over x. So 1 over x into, open the bracket because again you have to integrate, which is x cube divided by 3 plus 1 into dx integral is nothing but x into dx. Now you can multiply 1 by x inside. So if you multiply, you are going to get it as, which implies log x into x cube by 3 plus x minus integral of, if you multiply 1 by x inside, that is x cube divided by 3x because 3 will be multiplied here plus x divided by x. I hope you got this step. I am multiplying 1 by x inside. That's it. Now here one term of x will get cancelled. Here both x will be getting cancelled. So therefore the next step will be having like this, log x into x cube divided by 3 plus x minus integral of, see what is this, 1 by 3 will be a constant. Let me write first, that is x square divided by 3, right, again plus 1 into dx. Now you need to separate, dear students. Why I am writing that? Because you are having minus sign. Minus into plus is always minus. So therefore, let me write the next step will be like this, which implies log x into x cube divided by 3 plus x minus, I am separating the integral, dears. Integral of 1 by 3 will be outside, x cube into dx. So 1 by 3 into integral of what? X squared into dx. Again minus into plus is nothing but minus integral of 1 into dx. Right? I hope you got this step. Now further simplification gives you log x into x cube divided by 3 plus x minus 1 by 3 into x squared integration is x cube divided by 3 minus 1 integration will be x plus c. If you want, you can multiply 1 by 3 into 1 by 3, which is x cube divided by 9, and this is your final answer. You are going to get it for this question. I hope you understood that one. We'll be moving on to the next problem. What they've asked, integrate e power x into sin x plus cos x. Dear students, it is of the form like this. See, remember this one. See, you have to remember this. Integral of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x is nothing but e power x into f of x plus c. So if you are differentiating the given function, you should get whatever you are having. Now therefore, let me take accordingly this one, which happens according to the formula e power x into sin x plus cos x into dx. Now differentiation of sin x is what? Cos x. Now differentiation of sin x is cos x. This is f of x, this is f dash of x. So according to the formula, what you are going to have? E power x f of x. Which is f of x? This is f of x and this is f dash of x. F dash of x is nothing but d by dx of that function. That's it, right? So therefore e power x, what is the answer? E power x f of x is nothing but sin x plus c. That's it. This type of question will be asked for 1 marker, dears. I hope you got this one. Now we'll be moving on to the next problem. Integrate x into e power x divided by 1 plus x square. Now here, you cannot take it as f of x plus f of x because they have not given in that form. So what I am going to do here, numerator anyway in x is there. So I am going to write it accordingly, e power x. See, I am going to add 1, subtract 1. You are going to get back to the same step. If I cancel that plus 1 and minus 1, you are going back to the same step, isn't it? Why? Because I am adding and subtracting 1. Denominator you are having 1 plus x, right? So therefore, divided by 1 plus x whole square into dx. Now which implies integral of e power x into, you can write x plus 1 divided by 1 plus x whole square or x plus 1 whole square minus 1 divided by 1 plus x whole squared. I hope you are getting this one, into dx. Now here e power x will be multiplied throughout, which implies you can write this one e power x into, you can have multiplication of this, e power x will be multiplied throughout, so that I have opened the bracket. Now which happens, e power x, see x plus 1 will get cancelled, 1 over 1 plus x minus 1 over 1 plus x whole squared ds. Now you can guess, see what is the differentiation of 1 by 1 plus x? You can have here d by dx of 1 over 1 plus x, which implies, see 1 over 1 plus x can be written as how? D by dx of 1 plus x whole to the power of minus 1. So which implies that it is according to the 1 plus x whole to the power of n. What is 1 plus x whole to the power of n? Which is n into x to the power of n minus 1, which can write, which implies n into x to the power of n minus 1, which implies that minus of 1 plus x whole to the power of minus 2, you can write minus 1 divided by 1 plus x whole to the power of 2 or whole squared, right, which is of the same form. Therefore, it is of the form integral of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx, right, which can be e power x into f of x. So which is nothing but the solution will be e power x into f of x plus c, which implies e power x into f of x is what? 1 by 1 plus x, isn't it? 1 by 1 plus x plus c. Otherwise you can write e power x into 1 is e power x only, e power x divided by 1 plus x plus c. And this is your final answer for that question. I am going to reduce to the form of that and then bringing in the form of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x. Now we'll be moving on to the next problem, dears. Integrate x minus 3 into e power x. So therefore here denominator you are having x minus 1 but numerator x minus 3. I can write x minus 3 in terms of x minus 1. Yes. Minus 3 I can write it as minus 1 minus 2, which is minus 3 only. Why I am splitting that? Because denominator you are having in the form of x minus 1. So therefore numerator let me take it as integral of x minus 1 minus 2 into e power x divided by x minus 1 whole cube into dx. Further, you can divide this one, which implies integral of x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 whole cube minus 2 divided by x minus 1 whole cube into e power x into dx. Now, if you cancel this one, you are going to get integral of e power x. First I am writing 1 divided by x minus 1 whole squared minus 2 divided by x minus 1 whole cube. Dear students, you are going to take this one, then you are going to get minus 2 divided by x minus 1 whole cube. Therefore, let me differentiate that d by dx of 1 over x minus 1 whole squared, which can be written as d by dx of, that is x minus 1 whole to the power of minus 2. Otherwise, minus 2 into x minus 1 whole to the power of minus 2 minus 1, which is n into x to the power of n minus 1. So, which is minus 2. Minus 2 minus 1 is nothing but minus 3. X minus 1 whole to the power of minus 3, which implies minus 2 divided by x minus 1 whole cube. Now, this is f dash of x, isn't it? Now, therefore, it is of the form, integral of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx. The answer you are going to get for this one, which implies e power x into f of x plus c, which implies that e power x into f of x is 1 by x minus 1 whole squared plus c. If you multiply numerator with 1, e power x divided by x minus 1 whole squared plus 1. 1 into e power x is e power x only. And that is your final answer. You are going to get it as. Now, we'll be moving on to the next one. integral of e power 2x into sin x. Never add and subtract there anything to get it as a f of x plus f dash of x. So in the normal method only we are going to do it as according to the iLearn rule and then by having the formula. So what is the iLearn rule? First is inverse, logarithmic, algebraic, and then trigonometric and then exponential. What is the trigonometric here? Trigonometric here sin x, exponential here e power 2x. So let me write accordingly integral of sin x into e power 2x. This is a first function and this is a second function according to the iLearn rule into dx, which implies first function into integral of second function minus d by dx of first function into integral of second function into dx, right? So therefore sin x, now sin x into what is the integral of e power 2x? E power 2x divided by 2, right? E power 2x differentiation is 2 into e power 2x. There constant will be multiplied, here divided, that's it, minus d by dx of sin x is minus cos x, isn't it? Now e power 2x integral is e power 2x divided by 2 into dx. Now let us further again, so minus it will become plus, again 1 by 2 will be taken outside. Let me write that step, sin x into e power 2x divided by 2, minus into minus is plus, 1 by 2 into integral of cos x into e power 2x. Again here first function is nothing but cos x, second function is nothing but e power 2x. So let me write this one as first function and this one as second function. So what happens to in this case? So sin x into e power 2x divided by 2 plus 1 by 2 into, see open the bracket because you are going to have 1 by 2 throughout multiplication, first function, again we need to apply the formula, into integral of second function minus integral of d by dx of first function into integral of second function. I hope you are getting the step. Now close the bracket because 1 by 2 is multiplied throughout, which implies that sin x into e power 2x divided by 2 plus 1 by 2 into, open the bracket, cos x into integral of e power 2x is e power 2x divided by 2 minus integral of d by dx of cos x is sin x into e power 2x integral is e power 2x divided by 2, 1 by 2 I am taking outside ds, okay? I hope you got this one. Now what is this? Sin x into e power 2x, see here, sin x into e power 2x, I am going to call it as let this is equal to I. So let I is equal to sin x into e power 2x into dx, okay? So I am going to substitute there. So what happens? So left hand side will be I, so therefore I will be is equal to sin x into e power 2x divided by 2 plus 1 by 2 into, multiply 1 by 2 inside, cos x into e power 2x divided by 2, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 4, correct, by multiplying inside, into what is this? I have called it as I. I hope you are getting. Now minus 1 by 4 I am bringing to this side. What happens? I plus I by 4, right? So which implies sin x into e power 2x divided by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 into cos x into e power 2x, that's it, plus c, right? So plus c you can write it as. Now therefore further simplification, 4i plus I is nothing but 5i. So therefore 5i divided by 4 is equal to sin x into e power 2x divided by 2 plus 1 by 4 into cos x into e power 2x plus c. Otherwise you can cross multiply. I will be is equal to 5 by 4 will become 4 by 5. 4 by 5 into sin x into e power 2x divided by 2 plus 1 by 4 into cos x into e power 2x plus c, right? And this is your final answer. You are going to get it as DS, right? Now, dear students, if you multiply 4 by 5 inside, you are going to get 2. 2 2s are 4. So, the answer will be multiplying 4 by 2 1s are 2 2s are. So, therefore, see, e power 2x I am taking outside, which happens e power 2x divided by 5 will be outside because 1 by 5 will be everywhere, divided by 5. Now, 2 1s are 2 2s are. So, 2 sin x plus see 4 will get cancelled, cos x plus c, and this is your final answer. You are going to get it as DS. I hope you understood this one. Now, we'll be moving on to the next problem. So, what is the next problem they've asked, dear students? Integrate sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x squared. Dear students, you know already sine 2 theta in terms of tan. What can be written as? Which is nothing but 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan squared theta. This is one of the form of sine 2 theta, right? So, therefore, substitute x equal to tan theta. So, put x is equals to tan theta. First, let me write symbolically. So, therefore, you are having integral of sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x squared into dx. Now, here, if you substitute in terms of x as tan theta, all terms should be in terms of theta only. Therefore, differentiating this with respect to x, what is that? Dx, 1 into dx is equal to tan theta differentiation will be what? Secant squared theta into d theta, right? So, substituting which happens, which implies that integral of sine inverse of 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan squared theta into dx is nothing but secant squared theta into d theta. Further simplification, sine inverse of 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan squared theta is sine 2 theta. Substituting that, you are getting integral of sine inverse of sine 2 theta into secant squared theta into d theta. Now, sine inverse will go, remaining is integral of 2 theta into secant squared theta into d theta. Now, according to the integral by parts, you can take this as a first function and this as a second function, because algebraic is first, trigonometric is next, according to the iLearn rule. Let me integrate, which implies first function into integral of second function minus d by d theta of first function, isn't it? Into integral of second function into d theta, which implies 2 theta. Integral of secant squared theta is tan theta minus d by d theta of 2 theta is 2. Integral of secant squared theta is tan theta into d theta. Now, you know already integral of tan theta is log of modulus of secant theta. Therefore, which implies 2 theta into tan theta minus 2 can be taken. Integral of tan theta is log of modulus of secant theta plus c. Now, further simplification it will be giving you, see here, 2 theta into tan theta minus 2 into log of secant theta. I am going to write it as c. What is 1 plus tan squared theta? 1 plus tan squared theta is secant squared theta. So, secant theta can be written as under the root of 1 plus tan squared theta. Why I am bringing? Because you know tan theta is nothing but we have substituted as x, so that plus c. Now, therefore, substituting back to theta, you are getting 2 into theta is tan inverse of x, isn't it? Here, tan inverse of x. See, theta, if you bring it in the form of what? Theta is equal to tan inverse of x, right? So, that I am writing tan inverse of x minus 2 into log of modulus of under the root of 1 plus tan theta is nothing but we have taken x squared plus c. Now, dear students, if you take according to the logarithmic formula 2 into tan inverse of x minus c n log m, which can be written as log m power n, 1 plus x squared whole square plus c. Anyway, root will get cancelled. So, the final answer you are going to get it as 2 tan inverse x minus c log 1 plus x squared plus c. And this is your final answer. You are going to get it as for that question, DS. I hope you understood these steps and how to solve the problems based on when they have given e power x into f of x plus f dash of x in that form, isn't it? So this finishes your exercise 7.6. In the next session, we'll be moving on to next form of a integration. So thank you, dear students. Have a nice day. Keep watching.